That's how I feel about you. What's up, y'all? It's Guyver. I almost never think about recording in these situations, and well, this one, we've been here so long, I finally thought about it, and well, here we are. So we've been in this parking lot for approaching 48 hours now. We stopped here as a quick overnight, and when we went to leave, one of our parking brakes would not release. It kept hissing air, and get a pusher, they said. It'll be better, they said. The caveat, or I guess the BS part of this is we stopped here, so I had an easy place to remove our front jacks and take them to get rebuilt again, because I just paid this company here down in Yuma $1,000 essentially to rebuild these for me, and the clip popped out of one and that seal's coming out of the other. I asked them ever so kindly to make sure when they rebuilt them, please do it quickly. I have no problem paying extra. We were on our way to King of the Hammers, which there's going to be a recap video coming soon if I haven't already released it. We'll see how this goes. We're still trying to get home or get somewhere from King of the Hammers. We're literally on our way back. Well, so that happened at King of the Hammers. The blowout of the seals happened at King of the Hammers after the rebuild, because we got them rebuilt before King of the Hammers. They did, get them done in the deadline, but first actual use, we had seals blowing out. I was technically better off before the rebuild, but whatever. We're gonna take them to them under warranty, and well, stopped to pull them out. They live in there. So I gotta climb in the wheel well and work in there on either side. But now, like I said, I have a brake can, which if you know anything about air brakes or, air brake vehicles, the can does the braking, like it's the actual muscle, essentially. Ours has got an internal leak, so we can't get that side to release. But thankfully, Love's Truck Stop wasn't able to help us with our air brake switch, but they directed me to Bill's auto and truck repair in Lake Havasu City, not far from here. Let me tell you, that man, if I could leave a 10-star review on Google, I would. Not only did he have the air brake switch I originally thought it was, but I called him after hours thinking I may catch him in time before he left, but he was already home. He returned to the office to sell us 2 brake cans, and let me tell you the price he asks for these 30 cans. Well, it only involved 2 digits, which most places they're 3, and they're just the same as everywhere else. So Bill's Auto and Truck Repair in Lake Havasu City is the place if you own a Class A motorhome and you're handy and can do your stuff. He'll get you the parts, he'll take care of you. They also do mobile service. I don't know what they charge though, but I'm guessing if his parts are that reasonable, the service is too. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these brake cans on here, or one of them, and get us the hell out of here, and I'll show you guys the fun that involves. Get a pusher, they said. It'll be better, they said. This is real life, RV life, right here. Well, we're getting there. Got the airlines off. I gotta get the cotter pins out of the blind side here, but everything moves. Well, did move by hand. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to be freed up, and then we can get the can out of here. I got the jam nut broke free. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Crammed under the bus. Well, here you go. Can's out. And here shortly, the man will be out. And then we can get the rod cut. First time in my life, I've needed to shorten my rod. Old and busted. No. Let's get this thing. We gotta pull these out. And we gotta swap this over, because it comes with a different end. which I had a feeling, because, well, semi motorhome. Never forget your dope. Well, I had to go buy a hacksaw, and I think we're ready to go. This one's all caged up and fittings changed. Now I just got to crawl back under this motorhome. Alright. Don't drop it on my face, don't drop it on my face, don't drop it on my face. That's how I make my money! Is that in feet? Did you seriously just say that? Yep. She's something. Let's get this brand new can up in here. I did mark my airlines. Always make sure you mark your airlines, service and emergency. And that way, you know what's what. And it's not just chicken butt. Oh yeah. Oh, this is fun. True RV life stuff here. If you think RV life is nothing but sunshine and smiles, oh no, you got to work for it too. I may have to cage this some more to get this in there. Oh yeah. Oh baby. That's tight. Tight like a tiger. Whoa, what happened here? It was supposed to switch. So, I gotta line that hole and that hole up. And that thing, I don't know, I could probably get a pry bar. But now that I got this mounted, I should be able to exert quite a bit more force on there. And we'll be well on our way. Where there's a will, there's a way. And there's a pry bar. Not small enough to fit in there. But I didn't have one handy. So I used a 1/4-inch wrench. So let's see how this goes. I don't know if y'all can see this, but come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, I hope you saw that. That was smooth as silk, as far as I'm concerned. Alright, time to tighten this up and get the other one through, which is way easier because this rod is loose and easy. Anyway, see you in a second. Alright, pardon the wind noise, y'all. It's getting a little windy out here, but it is kind of nice. So we have our airlines in, still caged, doing the nut and bolt check. Tight, tight, pinned, pinned, and tight, whoop, tight, tight. So we can loosen that here in a second. I do need to resecure this electrical line to this airline. It was using it for support. I had to take it off because I didn't want to overstress the electrical line while removing this. But we should be back on the back on the road shortly. So, hooray! But yeah, this is the side of RV life most people don't show you because, well, and a lot of people don't think about it. I mean, hell, we've had all kinds of stuff happen. We had our hubcap fly off one day and rip off our inner dual remote inflator line and almost caused a flat tire about 60 miles from anything whatsoever, which that would have been cool. Anyways, I was quick enough to act and we stopped. I pulled the thing off and got the leak stopped. But anyways, hopefully this fixes it. I'll see you inside here in a second. Alright, well, hopefully this goes smooth. We're about to get to full air. This here is what I thought was originally the problem. So here shortly it should stop. I can idle it down, but I can show you. Ooh, doggos. Everybody loves doggos. You like dogs? I like dogs. Anyways, there it is. I just heard it. This is the valve. This is the original. I replaced it incorrectly. Well, not incorrectly. I did the job right, but it was not the problem. And we are about to find out if that brake can really was the issue. I don't hear no hissing. This was hissing before, even after I put the new one in. So, I mean, we ain't rolling away because I got us blocked, but let's put it in gear, see what happens. She moves real quick like. Alright. Drive. Oh yeah. She's ready to rock. We can finally get out of this Walmart parking lot. Alright, thanks for joining me, guys, gals, all y'all, dudes, dudettes, whatever, you know, peoples, dogs, cats, I don't know, whatever, you know. But thanks for joining me. This is the true side of RV life that I've been saying I will show, and I finally got around to it. So I hope you enjoyed, maybe learned something about 30-30 brake cans. Yeah, whatever. Or just enjoyed my struggle. If that's your thing, this is the place. We have the struggle bus. Go fast, don't break it.